versus Aldo Pambihira. Pass to begin, My Pao Special. Moving up on the outside, Copacabana. Then moving up down on the inside now is Alice Wonderland. Amiable Charlize, most unbelievable Tricky Charlize. And Fisher's Champ is the early trailer by about 8 to 10 lengths up the pace. Into the turn they gallop. Pambihira moving up now is Alice Wonderland to take the lead. Copacabana is racing in third and 3 lengths. Moving up now in fourth, My Pao Special. Down on the inside, Tricky Charlize. Moving up on the outside, Amiable Charlize. Most unbelievable and Fisher's Champ still racing in last. And it's still Alice Wonderland by about 2.5 lengths. Copacabana is still in second, Pambihira in third, then followed by My Pao Special. Down on the inside is Most Unbelievable. Alice Wonderland still in front by about 2.5 lengths. Copacabana remains in second as they come down at the last 200, and it's still Alice Wonderland by about 4 lengths. Copacabana still in second, and in third, My Pao Special last 100 meters. And it's still Alice Wonderland by about 4 lengths over Copacabana. And finally, Alice Wonderland, Copacabana, My Pao Special, most unbelievable.
Ayun na, ang dehado.